Hi guys, welcome to the video. Now today I've got a brand new competition going live, and that's for an amazing product called StudioNinja. Now StudioNinja is stock media, but it's stock media with a difference. Now I buy every little bit of stock media that I possibly can because I never know when I'm going to need a graphic, an icon, an image, a picture for a page or a blog post or a promotion, and if I go over to any of the stock media sites, you can be paying anything between $2 to $5, even more than that as well. But as I said, this is stock media with a difference. These are all virtual studio backdrops. Now I'm going to give you a full walkthrough of the package on the 27th, but it is a huge packet. There's absolutely tons and tons of content in there. Now, and as always, I put together an amazing bonus, very congruent to the offer itself. It's all about video. So in this competition, you can win a copy of my bonus pack, plus a copy of StudioNinja as well. So an amazing prize. Now all you need to do is comment on this video, like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you would. Now also on this page, you'll see the description below. I've got a ton of free downloads on the main pre-sale page. You can take a little look at the bonuses as well. So just look in the description below. You'll see a link across to my pre-sale page. On there, you will be able to get my free downloads. And also on there, I've got some free reseller packs as well. So please make sure that you claim those if you want them. So start commenting, and on the 27th of July, I'll pick a winner. The winner will receive copy of StudioNinja plus a copy of my amazing bonus pack as well. So thanks for watching. Watch out for the next video.